YouTube, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. It is your boy Zay back on your screen. And guys, I know this looks a little bit different, but yes guys, I am doing something a bit different today. I've gotten a lot of requests from people to want to see my gaming setup. So today, guys, I'm going to give you guys a tour, pretty much kind of like a setup tour and like somewhat a room tour, because a lot of you guys say that I play in a closet, and I'm going to show you guys that I don't play in a closet. Literally, my closet door is right here. And yeah, behind the camera is my room and my setup. So I'm gonna show you guys pretty much where I play at and where all the creativity and all the editors come. So yeah, guys, hope you guys do enjoy. If you guys happen to be new to my channel, I want you guys also to know that I am doing a giveaway, Black Ops 6 Vault Edition. If you guys want to be a part of the giveaway, the link will be in the description, the very first link in the description down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are new, man. One of the main things to enter into my giveaway is to be a subscriber, all right? But yeah, guys, let's get straight into this for you guys today. Let's get it. All right, guys, so here we go. We're going right into my room. You feel what I'm saying? Behind me is my door. I'm going to go ahead and close this because I don't know if you guys seen the rest of my house. All right. But yeah, guys, so right now you guys are looking at me. Currently, if I was to flip the screen, the first thing you'll see right here, you guys don't need to see what it is on the board, but I got some stuff there on the board, you know, for me, you know what I'm saying? Bunch of stuff there that I need to worry about, you feel what I'm saying? But I'm going to turn ahead and turn the camera around. When we first come in from my room, the door, you know what I'm saying? This is what you guys are seeing in the back of my setup, okay? This is my setup right here, right? This is my setup. This is the door that you guys see me break on stream. It is still currently broken, guys. Yes, I have not fixed it yet. I got my LED strips flowing through up in here, just making its way across, you know what I'm saying? So you guys, when you see them lights go on, they go from there down, all the way down, behind, all the way around to the end of my bed over there. But yeah, guys, this is my closet door. No, I do not play in a closet. I cannot stress that enough. You guys always think I'm playing in a closet. No, I do not play in a closet. My closet door is behind my setup. All right, guys. So when you come to my setup, the first thing you guys see my background. We got the backdrop, which is the black and red noise protection foam blocks. Yes, we got that. We got my PC right there. You feel what I'm saying? I built this PC from scratch. I bought every piece in there and put that together myself. You feel what I'm saying? You got my chair, my gaming chair. It's kind of fucked up right now. Excuse my language, but you know, it is messed up, as you can see. And it's gonna stay like this for a long time because I'm not buying a new chair. I want this to be here so that I can remember where I came from. You feel what I'm saying? Just so I have memory of where it all started, because I had this chair for a very, very long time. Probably since I had below 500 subscribers. So you feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep this chair for a while. But yeah, we also got, you see my controllers I've been through. We got my regular Xbox One Series S controller. We got my first scuff controller for the Xbox Series. Then I got my new one I just recently got. We got my Astro A50s right here with the charging kit right there. You feel what I'm saying? We got my PS5 sitting in the background right there. Got my Xbox Series S sitting there. You know what I'm saying? Then, of course, we got the monitor here. This is my first monitor, my second monitor. And then this is also my third monitor, where if I want to turn on my Xbox or my PlayStation, I'll play it right here on the screen. Feel what I'm saying? We got my mouse. We got my blue Snowball microphone. Got my keyboard right there, you know what I'm saying? We got my placemat. Looking a little dusty right now, but we ain't worried about that too much. Feel what I'm saying? Around it, you know what I'm saying? We got my bedroom. You know what I'm saying? My dog. What's up, Doodle? Hey, bud. Hey. Hey, boy. Nice. You feel what I'm saying? We got my bed. But yeah, guys, you guys see, this is where everything happens. You know what I'm saying? If I was to sit down, this is what you guys see. This is what I see. You know what I'm saying? And then if I flip the camera, this is what you guys see. You guys see me from up here, and I'm looking down at you guys. I'm looking up at you guys looking down at me. So that's just the view, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, this is my setup though. Pretty much, if you guys want to know where I got most of this stuff from, you know what I'm saying? Most of the stuff came from Amazon. Like the stuff I used to buy my PC, I bought on Amazon. I'll leave everything in the description if you guys want a list of things that I've, you know, what I ordered and stuff like that to be able to get basically the PC. Or if you want to know how, what the monitor is, these are two Spectre monitors, Spectre dual monitors with the arm on the back. You feel what I'm saying? The dual arm on the back. And then of course I have the Acer monitor, which is where I play my game stuff. I had this one for a longer time, so that's why it looks a little bit more, you know, it's not the same size as the other two, because this one I had first. But yeah, then I can't forget, of course, my lights, my two baby. These things right here come in clutch, man. This one is a smaller version of this. I bought both of these, I believe, on Elgato.com, if I'm not mistaken. The bigger one is actually, like you see, it has a little stand. It sits down there in the back, and it also is hooked up to my internet. So all I have to do is go into my computer down here on this screen right here and click this little thing right here. And this little bar comes up to where I can adjust the lighting, make it brighter. You feel what I'm saying? Change to cool, or to light, or to hot. You feel what I'm saying? So like, yeah. The smaller one, obviously, it has a little button on the back, and I can adjust it to make it brighter. You know what I'm saying? Or I could change it to cool color or a warm color. You feel what I'm saying? Depending on how I'm feeling. Or depending on if it's too bright, I'll turn it down while I'm streaming and all that. But yeah, guys, there's a lot of stuff that I've gotten here, and I had to actually, it took me time to get this stuff because, like I said, unless you're rich, you can't get everything right away. But a lot of stuff I had to pay for, out of my own money, of course. And if you come down here, actually, you can actually see there's a bunch of boxes down there. Those are where I keep all the boxes of my stuff that I've purchased for my setup. That way, if I ever have to pack my shit up, I can put it back in the box and it'll be, safe and secure. Don't worry about the wiring. Wire looks kind of crazy down there. I'm not going to lie to you, but it's not too bad. I try to organize it as best as I can. I got my power brick. You know what I'm saying? My surge protector. Need that. You got to have one of those, man, when you got all this equipment plugged in. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah. Then, of course, we got my G Fuel, which I haven't drank in so long down there. You know what I'm saying? Wires for my, this is my Ethernet cable right here. My wire, long-ass wire, man. It's like 100 yards, I believe. So, yeah. But, yeah, guys, this is my setup. Let me know what you guys think about it. Like I said, if you guys want to know everything that I purchased to pretty much start your own gaming channel, if you want to do the same thing like what I'm doing, I'll pretty much leave a list of things that you can start off by getting. That's not cheap. It's not expensive, but it's not that cheap either. But it's good quality stuff for a good price. Okay, so my recommendations I'll leave it in the description. If you want to know any of the stuff that I've gotten here, obviously I didn't have a lot of this stuff like the blue Snowball. I had a smaller version, it was all white, which I gave to a friend. It was a lot cheaper, so I used it for the time, but it worked. Then, of course, I upgraded to what I have now, right? So, like I said, anything you guys want to know about what I purchased, I'll leave it in the description. You know what I'm saying? Same thing goes with the headphones. As you guys can see, the headphones down here. These are Astro A20s. You feel what I'm saying? Or, no, I believe these are A40s. These are A40s. Astro A40s are wired. Then, of course, I ended up getting tired of those, so I ended up upgrading to A50s, which are wireless. You know what I'm saying? Which I'm also going to end up upgrading to the newest one that just came out. I believe it's the I don't even know. I don't even know what the new ones is right now. I can't even think of it right now. But I believe they're also wireless, and they also are compatible with Xbox Series X, PS5, and PC, and Nintendo Switch. Okay, so definitely gonna have to upgrade to that soon. But yeah, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. If you guys haven't liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to it if you are new. Also, if you guys are looking to enter into my giveaway, here is the third keyword of the phrase. It's gonna be not. N-O-T, not. Okay, guys? That is the third keyword of the phrase. So yeah, guys, make sure you save that in your notes. It has been your boy Zay. I'm out here, y'all. Peace out.